Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, this is Atia and you're watching Simplicity in Education. Today I'm going to tell you the important question guideline according to Reduced Syllabus 2021 of Physics. This video is a part 2. Part 1 was held on 23 of June. If you want to get important questions guideline of chapter 1 and 2 from Physics 9, please go to my channel Simplicity in Education, Arts and Cooking and enjoy the video of 23 of June. Let's start. Today we will study about Physics 9. The important guideline may also be helpful for all boards and lifetime important to all over the world, even in India, USA, Turkey, etc. Now check it out. What are the topics and what are the chapters from which I am telling you about? First of all, I am telling you about dynamics. The number of chapters may be different, but the chapter for dynamics for motion of forces is same. You might be know about dynamics, very interesting topic to be studied out. In this chapter, you will study about motion, Newton law of motion. These are those topics which are very important. Oh, Newton, laws of motion. You may be asked by in objective type that how many laws for the Newton law of motion, their number, their names, their main themes. You must be abide by these main sequences. Now, question 2, check out what are the Newton law of motion. You must be known by them. Inertia. Inertia is included in Newton's law of motion, and many things that are included in Newton's law of motion are very important in all over the world. Lifetime. Lifetime you will study about the different things that hold Newton's different laws. First law, second law and third law. There are three laws. Momentum is also very important. Momentum of bullet is most important question in physics lifetime. Life of physics you might be experienced in everywhere. Most of the questions numericals are relating to that topics are very important because if you learn the formulas of Newton law of motions and momentum inertia, you will able to do any numerical of that type. There are also questions of the motions between the weight, considering weight, resistance forces, okay. Resistance forces may be gravitational and maybe frictional. Okay, these things are very important in this chapter, and the main theme to mass, weight, gravitational force difference between mass, weight, force, momentum. Likewise, Newton's laws of motion has their own differences between them. Okay, these things are very important. You have to be make your note timelines, your solution manual for these types of topics, because these topics have 70 to 80% chance to have a examiner mindset and come in your exams. Not only in 2021 but also all over the life you can be checked by these types of questions, because these questions have great physics and you may experience this type of physics in your daily life. Even switch on the fan to swing your swing machine, wash your clothes in washing machine, spin your clothes to dry it out, and many other things that I don't discuss. Okay, thanks for watching.